Hello, my name is Nishar Khan. I am group number 317. My concept is physics and biology. Biology and physics are two distinct yet interconnected fields of science. Here an overview of their relationship and key concept in each. Physics definition: the study of matter, energy, and the fundamental forces of nature. Key concept: mechanism, motion, and forces include classical mechanism, Newton's law, and quantum mechanics. Thermodynamics: the study of heat, energy, work includes forces like entropy and the law of thermodynamics. Electromagnetism: the study of electric and magnetic field and their interactions. Biology definitions: the study of living organisms, their structure, functions, growth, evolution, and interaction with their environment. Key concept: cell biology, the study of cells as the basic unit of life. They are interconnections. Biophysics: a field that applies the principal biological system. These include studying molecular structure, protein folding, and cellular mechanism. Bioenergetics: example how living organisms convert energy from one form to another, often involving thermodynamics. Biomechanism: the application of mechanical principle to biological system. It explore how bones and joints work together to produce movement. In the conclusion, the interplay between physics and biology crucial for advancing our understanding of complex biological system. By applying physical principle biological questions, scientists can gain science into everything from molecular interaction to ecosystem. Second topic is a living and inanimate nature. Biophysics is an interdisciplinary field that bridges biology and physics, studying the physical principle underlying biological process. Living nature, molecular biophysics, protein folding, understanding how protein acquire their three-dimension structure, which is crucial for their function, like DNA RNA dynamics. Studying the physical properties of nucleic acid including their interactions. Inanimate nature, physical chemistry examination, examining how physical principles apply to chemical processes such as reactions, kinetic and thermodynamics, which are foundational for understanding biological reactions. Material science, studying biomaterials, example bone like cartilage, using principle of physics to understand their mechanical properties and behavior under stress. Fluid dynamics, analyzing how fluid behave in biological context, example like blood flow in vessels, and applying their principle to both living organisms and non-living system. Conclusion: biophysics provide a comprehensive framework for understanding the complexities of life. By applying the law of physics to biological phenomena, by studying both living organisms and inanimate system, biophysics not only enhance our knowledge of life itself, but it also inform technological advancement and innovations inspired by natural process. This interplay between living and non-living elements underscore the living underscore the unity of science is exploring the universal fundamental principle. Thank you so much.